Okay, I'll just tidy up this area, clean that wall a bit to get my Christmas tree up, clean up this whole area here. Got the sheet quickly from a market, and then you can got these presents. I think they're polystyrene wrapped in a Christmas wrapper with ribbons on. Get them very cheaply, a couple of rupees in Rose Hill, to put under your tree. And then these presents, they're meant to light up all different flashing colours, but I haven't got batteries at the moment in them yet. Well, I got this tree from the pound shop ages ago. It's quite nice. It's a small miniature tree. So what you want to do is, I can't see looking at the phone, put that in there like that, and it comes with its own presents, miniature presents and miniature decorations. So you've got a small tree, and then you just unfold all these branches and you've got a nice miniature desk tree. I think I got that from the pound shop. I've had it years. And then the hat as well, got it from the pound shop. I've had that years. Let me spread it all out and see what it looks like. It'll give it a nice little Christmas tree. They're all set up nicely, nice little desk tree. And then you've got these decorations, so they're tied together. What I can do is just hang that, put that in there so it's hidden. Hang that across there like that. And then you've got your two Christmas presents. Right, let's put them nicely underneath like that. There you go. Okay, I've got the tree and stand back out my storage from the previous years. I got that tree very cheap. It's only about 395 rupees from Manju, and it's 1.5 meters long, about 150 centimeters. Okay, it comes in two parts, as you can see, two parts that just slot in together. Here you can see, one on top of each, one on top of the other, and then it's it's nice because it's got, when you set it up, it's got a snow look to it as well. So that's I prefer artificial trees to real trees now, because you just buy it one off and you've got it ready. Buy it one off at a one-off time and you've got it ready for every year. And I like this snow look as well, so I'm happy I bought that tree. Okay, set up the stand. So the stand just opens up, turn it 90 degrees like that, and can't see while I'm holding the phone as well, but lock these screws into place and make it sturdy. I'll do that now. The fun part, set up this tree and see what it looks like. It's going to take me a while because you've got to bend all these branches out, and then all these branches. Yeah, all these branches have got more branches that need to bend out to make it a full tree. So give me 5 minutes or 10 minutes and I'll do that now, and then show you what it looks like. Bottom half done. It took me a bit longer than 5 minutes because of all those branches, separating all those branches out. I'll get the top bit on. And a nice finished tree. I had fun doing that, spreading out all the branches. Now I have some more fun and decorate it a bit. Put the tinsel and the lights and everything on and those hanging decorations. Okay, let's see what goodies we've got in my Christmas storage bag I just found. So if I can get it out of here. I'm trying to do it with one hand and hold the phone. Okay, you've got 6 of them there. They're nice. You get those quite cheap in Manji for about 80 rupees. Well, 80 rupees and 6 of them. The reflective balls with the snow flake and green and silver. So I've got 12 of those there to decorate my tree with. Okay, what else is in this goodie bag? There's some silver tinsel to go with the silver balls, hanging decoration balls to decorate my tree with. Right, I got this in my storage box as well, my storage bag, all the stuff for decorating the tree. I got these cheap stored and packed in my way as well. They're like I think they're like very cheap now, about 100 or 200 rupees in if you go to Port Louis in the market. Yeah, there's all different modes in them. So, right, I'll go through. So you've got like a strobing effect going on there. I'm not reading the modes. Alternate like strobing. It's what I'm just describing them how they look like. Everything now to decorate my tree. The balls, the hanging balls, the tinsel. Okay, we got the penguin to go on top, penguin man, and we've got the lights to go around. Okay, I found some little bits and pieces to put on my Christmas hamper. An old advent calendar. These things, you've all seen them. Open up and you get a chocolate on each day. But that one's an old one. I'll just use it to decorate my my hamper. And then the nice DVD, Christmas DVD. I'll watch it on Christmas. But Mrs. Brown Boys, it's a... Yeah, they play that on TV. That lady swears a lot, so it's funny. And then a lottery Christmas scratch card. See, I haven't won. But yeah, they're nice decorations for my hamper. I got this from Port Louis. It's about, you get it for about 100 or 200 rupees, I think. It's nice. It's a hanging grate for it. I haven't seen that anywhere else, but I'll put a bit of fishing line up and I'll go and hang that above my hamper.